Hello everyone! Happy September 5th! Today we celebrate powerful voices, heartfelt acts, and international flavors. Let's explore 3 inspiring events. These celebrations make great moments to gift someone, even without a special reason. But if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting events are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's International Day of Charity. A beautiful reminder to give back with love and purpose. A perfect gift could be a donation made in someone's name, a volunteer experience together, or a kindness journal. What's your favorite way to give back? Tell us in the comments. Next, it's National Cheese Pizza Day. This is a cheesy celebration of one of the world's favorite comfort foods. A thoughtful gift could be a do-it-yourself pizza-making kit, a gourmet cheese set, or maybe even a pizza-themed gift card. Pineapple on pizza, yes or no? Let the debate begin in the comments. Before our last event, are you enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later. And finally, it's World Samosa Day. This one's a spicy tribute to golden pastries packed with flavor and tradition. A great gift could be a samosa spice mix, a cooking class voucher, or maybe even a sampler of global snacks. What's your favorite samosa filling? Let's compare cravings. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for October 1st to 5th. That way, you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.